Stop scrolling. Look at your bank account right now. That number isn't just low, it is dying. Every hour you work is a piece of your life you will never get back. And what do you get? A paycheck that disappears before you even touch it. You are not living, you are just paying to stay alive. Wake up! The game is rigged, and you are the only one who doesn't know the rules. Everything you see is a massive lie. This world was built by the 1% to be fueled by the 99%. You are the fuel. While you slave away for security, they are laughing in their fortresses. They don't work for money. They own the machines that print it. It's time to stop being a servant and start seeing the matrix for what it really is. Why are they so rich? Because you are addicted. You are obsessed with their toys, their apps, their poison. Every coffee you buy, every subscription you pay, is another brick in their wall. You are literally building your own prison with every dollar you spend. Stop building their empire and start commanding your own. The secret isn't hustle or hard work. That's the lie they told your parents. The secret is ownership. The elite don't chase dollars. They build machines. A legal, unstoppable, automated engine designed to capture global cash flow every single second. Even while they sleep, the money flows in. Can you hear that? That is the sound of freedom roaring. Imagine a castle that pays you to live inside. That is the Dividend portfolio. It doesn't care about the crash. It doesn't care about the news. When the world panics, the fortress stands tall. This isn't a stock. It is a legal contract for wealth that lasts for generations. Build the walls. Protect your family's future. Poor people buy stuff to look rich. The wealthy buy assets to stay rich. Every liability you own is a parasite sucking your lifeblood. Every asset is a soldier fighting for your freedom. Who are you recruiting today? The parasites that bleed you dry, or the warriors that set you free? Make the damn choice. It starts small. A single coin, a single share. But then it gains mass. It picks up speed. It becomes an unstoppable force of nature. Gravity is on your side now. Once the snowball starts rolling, no one can stop your path to millions. Just let it roll. Your boss can fire you tomorrow, but the machine never quits. The market can close, but the machine never sleeps. It works while you eat. It works while you sleep. It works 365 days a year without a single breath. It is the ultimate employee, and it's time it started working for you. The eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest. It isn't magic. It is pure mathematics. The more it grows, the faster it grows. It feeds itself. It breathes money. Stop interrupting the miracle. Patience is the rocket fuel. Do you have the guts to wait? Fear is for the weak. Greed is for the blind. The 1% have nerves of absolute steel. When the world panics, they shop. When the masses sell in terror, they collect in silence. Are you a hunter or are you the prey? Control your emotions, or the market will strangle you until you are broke. The government is robbing you in broad daylight. Inflation is the invisible thief stealing the value of your sweat and blood. Your savings are dying in that bank account. The ultra-rich don't hold cash. They hold assets that grow faster than the heist. Stop being a victim. Protect your wealth. Why do you pay more taxes than a billionaire? Because you own a paycheck and they own a machine. The tax code is a manual on how to keep your money. If you are an owner, while you lose 30% of your life to the state, they use legal loopholes to keep every single cent. It's not about what you make. It's about what you keep. Look at Realty Income. Ticker symbol O. They don't just sell products. They own the land beneath them. Thousands of properties paying them rent every single month. For 50 years, they haven't missed a single check. This is a legal money press. Own the land, own the future. The 1% never touches the principal. They live on the fruit, but they never cut down the tree. Every dividend check goes back into the machine. It's a closed loop of infinite growth. If you spend your gains today, you are killing tomorrow's empire. Delay your gratification or stay a slave forever. Why does PepsiCo win every time? Because when prices go up, you still pay. That is pricing power. They pass the cost of inflation directly to you. While you get poorer, their dividends get fatter. Don't just drink the soda. Profit from the addiction. Join the owner's table. The poor use debt to buy toys. The rich use debt to buy empires. They use other people's money to fuel their machine. It's high stakes, but it's how history is written. Master the math or be crushed by it. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Are you brave enough to swing it? Your parents were taught to save, but that world is dead. Saving is for losers in 2026. Investing is the only way to survive the coming storm. You are the bridge between a broken past and a wealthy future. Don't let your family's legacy die with you. Be the one who changed everything. The plan is simple, but the execution is everything. Buy assets, reinvest the cash, repeat again and again until you are untouchable. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a stay-rich-forever blueprint. Do you have the discipline to follow the map? Show me. This is not just a video. It is a call to arms. The secrets are out. The machine is visible. You have no more excuses. The 1% doesn't want you to know this. But here you are. You have the map. You have the weapon. Now, go out there and claim what is yours. The clock is ticking. Every second you wait is a dollar stolen from your children's future. Stop being a slave. Start being the master. The door is open. The 1% is waiting for you. Will you step in? Or will you stay poor? Choose. Now. Start. Right. Now.